Hello, my name is Britt Rocky, and I'm going to tell you how to use Google Photos to store and edit in photos and create albums. In this video, you will learn 1. How to organize photos, 2. How to edit photos with basic fixes, tuning, and effects, 3. Share photos, 4. Add details to images, and 5. Create photo albums. First thing you will learn is how to organize photos. The nice thing about Google Photos is that they sort your photos by the day you took them. We are currently looking at my mom's Google Photos since I do not take many pictures. You can see they are sorted by each day that she took the pictures. If we wanted to organize them differently, we could create an album, which I'll tell you about later. Also, my mom took all these pictures on her phone and sent them to her Google Photos from there. They automatically download to the computer when she does a backup. Now I want to show you how to edit photos. There are many things that you can do. Let's take this photo of me on the Mississippi Monument at Gettysburg. If I wanted to, if I wanted to edit this picture, you click the 3 lines at the top, in the top right. And then from there, I can do picture filters to change how the picture looks. And if I want to go more into depth, I could change the light, color, and pop of the photo if you click the 3 lines again. These also have drop-down menus where you can change many things about the photos. I can also crop the photo, so if I were to want to make it look like the photo is just of me, I would do this. And if I wanted to make myself look like I was standing on my head, I would do this. But you can also click this if you want to change it slightly diagonally. So now we are going to learn how to learn how to share the photos. Let's say I want to share the first 3 photos. If I hover over I can click on the left, or I can click on the diamond or the circle on the top left of the photos, and then I click the less than symbol. I could then create a shared album, create a link of 3 photos, and also share it to Facebook or Twitter. If you wanted to keep your photos straight, you can include the locations and other details. If I hover over and click on the picture, if you hover over and click on a picture, you'll see the 3 dots on the so if I were to do this, and then went to edit location, I could change where the photo was taken to where it was. And you could also change the date and time. Finally, if you want to create an album, I can click the plus sign at the top right. Then I can create a title for the album. Then I can create a title for the album, and sort by people and pets. Or you can select pictures you want in the album. Then when you're looking for those particular people or events, you will find them in your album. I hope this helped you understand how Google Photos works. Have fun.